to share 6 chocolate cupcakes with your friend. Being greedy, you wish to share the cakes in the ratio 2 to 1. This means that for every 2 cakes you eat, your friend only gets 1. Scaling this up to share a total of 6 cupcakes, you will have 4 and your friend will only have 2. Here are some important things to remember when it comes to any ratio problem. Firstly, identify the ratio parts. Secondly, add the ratio parts together. Thirdly, divide the amount to be shared by the sum of the ratio parts. And finally, multiply the ratio parts by the value from step 3. For example, if you instead wish to share 600 cupcakes with your friend in the same ratio of 2 to 1, we would add together the ratio parts, giving a value of 3. We would then divide 600 by 3, giving an answer of 200. Finally, we would multiply 200 by our initial ratio parts, resulting in 400 cupcakes for you and 200 cupcakes for your friend. Let's say that we now want to bake a loaf of bread. We first need to make the mix. This needs to be 3 parts with water and 2 parts with flour. We can see that this is a ratio of 3 to 2, with 5 parts altogether. If our total mix weighed 1,000 grams, we can find out how much of each ingredient we require. First, add the ratios. 3 plus 2 is 5. Next, we must divide 1,000 by 5 to see how much 1 part weighs. Here, 1 part is 1,000 divided by 5, which equals 200 grams each. Using our ratio of 3 to 2, we must multiply our weight by 3 to get the amount of water, and multiply by 2 to get the amount of flour. In total, we have 3 times 200 of water and 2 times 200 of flour, giving us 600 grams of water to 400 grams of flour. Now you try. You are helping your grandpa build a path. You need to make a concrete mix of 63 kilograms. Your grandpa told you to mix 6 parts of sand and 1 part of cement. How many kilos of each do you need? Pause while you calculate. Did you get it right?
If you like the